Okay, subscribers and audiences, this is Rakibul here, and today we will learn how to connect to a Bluetooth audio device like a Bluetooth soundbox or Bluetooth headphone. So let's start learning without hitting an intro. We click on start menu here, we click on settings, we click on devices, and you see the Bluetooth and other devices will be the section here. Also, you can search and start writing Bluetooth. You will see a Bluetooth and other devices like this. This window will appear, and here you can see I have devices connected like keyboard, mouse, and my audio output and input devices, and other devices also my display here. So we want to add a Bluetooth device, so we click add Bluetooth or other device here, but before that we must turn on this button here. Then you click add Bluetooth device, and as we will see, you'll see that we will search for a Bluetooth device like a box, a sound box, or headphone, Bluetooth headphone, Bluetooth mouse or keyboard like pen, etc. We'll click a Bluetooth. So you can see my Bluetooth sound box is turned on, and it is showing here, it appears here. You must make sure that your device is turned on. We click here, look, it's connecting. The device is ready to go, connected music. As my Bluetooth sound box has no speaker, has no receiver, no voice receiver, so it will connect to only music. If your Bluetooth headphone has a audio receiver, then you will see Bluetooth connected as music and voice. So we click on done, and we must change our audio output interface. From here we click on sound, we select headphone in 200 BT stereo, and we will be playing sound on that interface. Thank you for watching. I hope you will subscribe my channel, and drop your comment below regarding your questions and comments. I hope you will forgive my poor English. Thank you.